Struggling to manage and send customer quotes efficiently? Learn how Xero simplifies creating and sending professional quotes, turning potential leads into actual business. Create and send a customer quote. Go to the business menu and select Quotes. Click on New Quote. Alternatively, click the plus icon anywhere in Xero and select Quote. Enter the customer's name. You can either add a new contact or select an existing one. Set an expiry date for the quote. Fill in the product or service details, description, quantity, and price. Ensure the descriptions are clear for customer understanding. Choose the appropriate account and tax rate to categorize the transaction correctly. If products and services are predefined in Xero, select them from the item menu to auto-fill these details. Review the quote, save as a draft, or if ready, click Send. Confirm the customer's email address and send the quote. To monitor the progress of your quotes, select Quotes from the business menu. Convert an accepted quote into an invoice. Navigate to the Accepted tab, select the accepted quote, and click Create Invoice. Xero will use the quote details to create a draft invoice. Verify that all information is correct. Approve the invoice. Confirm the customer's email address and send the invoice. Now you can successfully create and send quotes in Xero, streamlining your sales process and enhancing customer engagement with ease. And there you have it. With SaasAnt Transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when SaasAnt can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.